Let's make your own water pump with balloon and a bottle. Take an empty bottle. Now make a small hole with drill machine halfway up on one side of the bottle. Put a straw through the hole. Now seal the hole with a glue. Take an empty glass and place below the straw. Now fill up the bottle with some water. Now blow up a balloon and hold it. Wow! The air in the balloon pushes the water out, creating your own water pump. Moral: pressure is created when air is trapped inside balloon. By releasing the air from the balloon into the bottle, water is forced out through the straw, creating a water pump. A very simple experiment to demonstrate the generation of static electricity and its effect. Take styrofoam ball. Wrap it with aluminum foil. Make similar 5 to 6 balls. Now take a thick paper sheet. Fold it from all the 4 sides up. Now place the aluminum foil with the sheet. Take 4 wooden blocks and place it on all 4 edges. Now place plastic sheet resting on the wooden blocks. Rub the plastic sheet with a clean cotton cloth for a few seconds. Now place the styrofoam ball wrapped in aluminum foil and place it on the plastic sheet. Now try to touch the ball with your finger. The ball is moving around. Now let's do it another way. Remove the plastic sheet. Place few styrofoam balls on the aluminum foil. Close it again with plastic sheet. Now try to touch any ball from above the sheet. The ball should roll and jump around the top of the lid. Morel is rubbing cloth on plastic makes the sheet negatively charged. The styrofoam balls are neutral charge. When your hand touches the plastic, it removes the negative charge on the surface. With the charge gone, there is nothing attracting the balls to that spot anymore, so the balls will move here and there. Learning how the light travels. Take a small piece of thread and make it lay straight. Now take 3 old CDs. Use the cloth drying clips as shown so that CD stands of its own. Place a candle on the same straight line on one side. Light the candle now. Now see it through another end. You can see the flame of candle. Now move CD in the middle a bit from the thread. Now try to see the flame from another end. You don't see the flame, right? Moral is light always travels in a straight line. So when you moved the middle CD, light's path was obstructed and could not travel to the third CD and thereby. Let's generate free electricity with salt water and a magnet. Take 2 empty disposable glasses. Put some glue in one of the glass. Place a magnet over the glue so that it stands properly. Cut another glass using a scissor from both sides. Add water to the glass with a magnet. Add a tablespoon of salt to it. Now take a bulb. Take a copper wire and wind it around the bulb's bottom part. Now put the cut disposable glass into the glass with water. Now place the bulb carefully into the glass. Amazing! The bulb glows. Moral is this is because salt water is a good conductor of electricity. When you put salt in water, the water molecules pull the sodium and chlorine ions apart so they are floating freely. These ions are what carry electricity through water. Let's do a simple experiment to demonstrate Lenz's law. Place a holding stand on the table with a stand. Now drop a magnet from top of the copper tube. The magnet falls slowly. Now observe from the top. The magnet falls slowly. Moral is the falling magnet induces a current within the copper tube. By Lenz's law, the current creates a magnetic field that opposes the field of the falling magnet. Thus, the magnet feels resistive force and falls more slowly. Let's make an erupting volcano for the science fair. Take an empty cardboard box. Place an empty bottle in the middle of the box. Fix the bottle with glue so that it doesn't move. Now place a funnel over the bottle neck. Add baking soda into the bottle over the funnel. Now scrunch up some newspaper around the bottle with just head being make a masking tape frame around the newspaper. Now place the clay around the newspaper to give a look like a volcano mountain. Take some vinegar in a flask. Add food coloring into the vinegar. Pour the vinegar into the opening of the volcanic mountain. Eruption time. See the volcano erupting lava. Moral is, a chemical reaction between vinegar and baking soda creates a gas called carbon dioxide. There is not enough room in the bottle for the gas to spread out, so it leaves through the opening very quickly, causing an eruption. Let's make a miniature, homemade version of a hovercraft that rides on a very thin cushion of air. Take a waste sports bottle cap. Now make a hole in the cap with thumbtack as shown. Now take a waste CD. Put a glue around the cap bottom area. Glue the sports cap to the center of the CD. Take a balloon. Inflate the balloon with hand pump and twist it to seal the neck shut. Hold the twist in the neck to trap the air and stretch the balloon's opening completely over the bottle cap. You have a hovercraft gliding effortlessly over the surface. Moral is hovercrafts use air to lift a vehicle off of a surface. As the balloon contracts, air is pushed through the holes you punched in the bottle cap. This air escapes out from under the CD in all directions. This cushion of air dramatically reduces the friction between the CD and the surface that allows your hovercraft to move freely over a smooth surface.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.